Hey there, this is Pritesh and welcome to day 13 of this Instagram challenge where we are trying to get paying clients and then leads from this whole activity by posting almost 10 videos per day. So let's quickly get into the tracker. So we have completed 103 posts today. Then the number of accounts that we have reached from our content, so that is 37,194. I think today the reach was not very high, but again, as it's just compounding, the old videos are just getting compounding. Then the number of leads is 1, and as you can see there is one extra thing over here, and the reason why I added this, as I shared yesterday, that we are terribly lacking at the number of leads that we are getting. So the calculation has always been simple, that we want to get, like as I mentioned yesterday, posting 10 videos every single day for 30 days will get us 250 videos, almost 250, just rounded off. From that, considering that 200 accounts will be reached from every single post on average, that will give us 50,000 accounts that we will reach by the end of month. If we consider just 2% of the conversion, we get 250 leads from that. If we consider that, that was an assumption based on the industry standard. And from that leads that we are getting, 0.5% will get converted, and then the number will be 5 paying clients. So that was the assumption. Right now we are terribly lacking. So as you can see, 0.004% is the current status, which has got 0.003% right now. And the only reason is because we are not able to improve the number of leads per day as compared to the accounts that we are reaching out. So as I yesterday shared, that accounts, I think that the target will be very soon completed, but it's of no use if we cannot increase the number of leads. So that's why I think now we should start tracking the links clicked as well. So as I can see, we are hardly just getting 6 links clicked every single day. So let's see how many links got clicked today. Yeah, it's still 6. So that's why it is getting difficult. How are other things looking like? We have 137 profile visits. So these people are just looking and going away. All right, no worries. I'm just looking to optimize for external link tabs. Now you might have probably understood like why exactly I'm trying to optimize that. Oh, it's already 12 a.m. Cool. So how the funnel looks like? First of all, people consume your content. Then, of course, that's the easiest thing. The first step, post creation, that is completely under my control. I just need to publish 10 videos a day. That's what I'm mostly aiming for, although I'm not doing it every day because we are anyway reaching the targets of accounts that we need to reach. So I'm not focusing a lot on posting 10 videos a day. So first the accounts get viewed, like content is viewed by our account. Then second step is that people come to your profile. So profile visits has to be also tracked, but I'm not just tracking it right now because I don't want to increase too much complexity. Once the profile is tracked, as in people come to your profile, they probably follow, which I don't care about, but after that they click on the link. After clicking on link, then they sign up for your program, as in that's when we consider that lead is generated. So as you can see, there are 3 steps. People come, visit your profile, then click on the link. The whole journey is 3 steps. So that's why it's getting a bit tough to crack that number. And in fact, I've not even considered the client conversion yet. It is even a bigger ball game altogether. As in, once you get leads, not all of them are qualified. So I need to qualify them. After qualifying, I need to convince them. The whole conversion sales cycle becomes a very long cycle in itself. So that's what I'm considering right now. But okay, we have already fixed the account reach metric. That's not a problem at all. Now we just need to optimize for the leads. So what I have started doing as an action item, we started an automation where anyone who leaves a comment masterclass, we automatically reach out to them via DM. That's what the automation is all about. Secondly, now almost all of my outros are optimized for masterclass. That's my whole funnel now. Like, I'm looking people to get into that funnel. Then I'm trying to add more authority to my profile, as in every single video I'm trying to subtly mention that what I have done so far. So I believe that personal brand will definitely help out. But I've started doing that from today, and none of the today's videos perform really well. So let's quickly see how the content that we published today performed. All right, so I will quickly tell what all videos we published today. So this was hiring a salesperson becomes a mistake. This is a repost from last week. So I would say it performed the worst among all the videos. So that is the fact about it. Then I published this Amul thing, like why do you exactly recognize this brand and all that stuff. Perform decent, 10-second retention, 45% skip rate. So that's the stat about this. Then my founder friend started panic posting, as in this was more about how people start posting more content as soon as they realize that they need more leads. So this is performing the best today, and you can see the numbers as well. I can see it's 1000 plus accounts reached. So 13 seconds retention time and 21% skip rate. That's the stat. Then this is about Brave browser. So I mentioned how Brave browser is attacking Google again and again as a brand story. So 16 seconds and 33%, again performing really well. So these are the only two videos that perform really well today. Rest of them were just average. Then this was about getting leads without running ads. This was a case study where we talked about how the local apps work for lead generation as well. So this again it actually performed great with retention, as in 13 seconds of retention, but the thing is it got skipped and 54% became the skip rate. That's why it didn't get the traction that it deserved. Then this was about my system to retain my 20 member team. So I talked about how to retain your team members. So it got around 7 seconds of retention time and 40% of skip rate. Again, one of the worst performing for today. Then this was again about the Brave thing. So what I did for Brave browsers video, I pulled out multiple clips from the same video in different context and publishing 3 videos from the same thing. So this performed fine. 13 second of retention time and 47% of skip rate. And then finally we have you're not getting sales because you are just posting, as a founder you are just posting about yourself and all that stuff. So again this performed terribly bad. 6 seconds and 54%. So these are the stats for now. Sorry. So these are the stats. Today's best performing videos were these two. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm just quickly checking out which videos are performing. Founders are scared to do this. This was about pricing. Airtel case study. Your business will expose you. Interesting. This also worked well. Hicksfield has the worst menu bar. I think I should start posting more about websites. Let's see. Then an obvious way to get clients. This was artist story. Then yeah, as in these are the insights for today, and hopefully the leads work out well. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, like this is whole thing about today. See you tomorrow. Thanks for staying in.